What's up, YouTube? It's Dylan with Brick Fever. And today we've got a unique situation and a cool story to tell about this little guy right here. This 69 Corvette is really special to me. My grandma and I did the 3rd episode of the Lego Chronicles podcast. You can check that out. And I have new episodes dropping every Tuesday. This was a car that was near and dear to her. She had reminded her of her childhood. Her friends in her childhood had one. They enjoyed it, top down. You'll hear the stories in the podcast, but at a 250 piece count, that was about all we could get done in a 2-hour episode. So I decided to end it there and finish this build with the race version right here, just in a speed build. So please like and subscribe the video. Every like pushes the video further up the algorithm and ends up building our channel. So I hope you enjoy it. Bye.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.